Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. It was certainly good to see you out at the house today. What a great neighborhood that house is in. Your buyers are going to just love that home. Let's take a look though at the top side. So the traditional cricket that we normally see behind the chimney, any chimney broader than 30 inches, we normally see a cricket back here. I don't think would be of any benefit to your buyers to go back and do that. The slope is so slight. It's a matter of water hitting the back of the chimney and running back up underneath the shingles, which just is not going to happen. However, it wouldn't hurt, since the roof is so new, to go ahead and ask the roofing contractor how did he handle that. And it's likely they put sheet metal way back up underneath these shingles and prevented any possibility of that to be a leak. So just check that out if you want. Views of the chimney top, chimney cap is appropriate size, but there are a lot of cracks up here, and so that's something that needs to be repaired, and I wrote that in on your show notes. It's an open wood-burning fireplace. This back wall needs to be actually cut out and rebuilt. These bricks are loose. They're kind of crumbling on you a little bit here. And so I've given you an approximate price for doing that, just like an approximate price for doing the crown, and Robert Whitley over Imagine Brick will help with that. If we look up between the damper and the flue base, this is where the flue system starts. We can see lots of gaps in here that need to be filled with refractory cement for safety reasons, and I've given you a price on doing that. That's something that I will actually do. It's something that masons don't like to do. It's very tedious, and you use special equipment that they don't have. So anyway, I'll take care of that, and I wrote that in your show notes as well. The rest of the flue system, though, looks great. Questions for me, give me a call, 704-526-6348. Email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?